This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood slightly, push the hood safety latch to your right, then raise the hood. Remove the hood prop rod and place it in the slot marked for the hood prop. Unscrew the cable nut and disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal first. Use a small screwdriver to release the positive battery cable cover clips and open the cover. Loosen the positive battery cable nut and power distribution cable nuts. Remove the power distribution cable nuts and disconnect the cables from the power distribution terminal. Release the power distribution box from the battery by inserting a screwdriver into the slots on the sides of the box, then disconnect the cable from the positive battery terminal and lift the distribution box assembly from the top of the battery. Remove the battery hold-down nut and remove the hold-down bracket. Using a screwdriver, depress the side hold-down locking tab and lift the side hold-down up and out. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Make sure that the cable ends are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. To ensure this, clean the cables with a battery brush. Clean the battery tray, making sure the battery will be set on a smooth, even surface. Install the battery onto the battery tray. Install the battery side hold-down, making sure it clicks into place. Then install the battery hold-down clamp. Tighten the clamp nut securely. Install the power distribution box on top of the battery, making sure the box snaps into place while connecting the positive cable to the positive battery terminal. Install the power distribution cables to the power distribution box. Install the power distribution cable nuts. Tighten the power distribution cable nuts and positive battery cable nut securely. Then close the power distribution box protective cover. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery.